This is a quick, feature-by-feature demo of the Starfield Omnicron website. Be sure to check the chapters in the description below to jump to the section you need. Sometimes you know the name of a star system but have no idea where it is on your map in the game. Simply open the main menu and select Star Systems. Find the name of the star system in the list and click the associated map link. The star system view provides a lot of information about the star system as a whole. One very important number is the resource score for the system. The higher the score, the more uncommon, rare, exotic, and unique inorganic resources can be found there. Sometimes you need to find a specific type of inorganic resource, and you don't care where it is. Use the main menu and select Systems and Mining. In the search area, select the resource you are looking for and press the search button. A list of all planets and moons that have that resource will appear. You can also limit your search for a resource to a specific star system to avoid using interplanetary cargo links with your outposts. If you want to see all of the planets and moons in a star system, use the main menu to select Systems and Mining. Enter the name of the star system or part of the name and press the search button. A detailed list of planets and moons will appear. There are tooltips for many of the resource symbols and other notes. Just mouse over them to see the tooltip. If you are looking for organic resources, use the main menu to select the Flora and Fauna tool. You can search for a specific organic resource type in all systems, or you can search a specific star system, planet, or moon for all organic resource types, or you can specify both for highly targeted searches. The underlined headings allow you to sort the results. All items in Starfield can be found in the main menu, Items. You can search by name, item category, or the workstation used to create it. Clicking on an item will display its details. If an item can be crafted, its recipe is shown. If the item is complex, i.e. made up of other items that also have their own recipes, you can use the View Full Component List button at the bottom to get a full bill of materials, the raw resources needed to make everything, and a breakdown by subcomponent recipe. Getting around in Starfield can be a challenge with the poor maps included in the game. I have taken a different approach. Instead, you can search for vendors that buy or sell whatever you need, and the website will show you which vendors trade in that type of item. It can also show you general points of interest in each city or star station. General descriptions of how to find the location or vendor are also included. Need to clear a bounty and don't care where the bounty board is? Done. Need to find a research lab on Neon City because the guards won't let you leave Neon with the Aurora you need for your research? Done. Browsing ship components has never been easier or more efficient. You can search by star yard, reactor class, and more. Pro tip: if you are searching for an item that specifies a reactor class, like engines, grav drives, weapons, etc., you need to specify the reactor class also. In addition to showing you the raw stats, the system will also analyze the information and provide you with handy ratings to help you pick the best item for your specific ship needs. Sometime you know the name or part of a name of a planet, item, location, but don't know what it is. For example, there is a quest to get the power on Dionysus. Where the heck is Dionysus? Well, the Find by Name feature in the main menu is here to help. Just enter the name, at least 3 letters, and let the website do the heavy lifting for you. Finally, I have collected some handy links for Starfield. From the main menu, click on the Links feature and have a look. I hope you found this video guide to Starfield Omnicron helpful.